Fix your tire in your Chevrolet Cruze, brought to you by O'Reilly Chevrolet. First, we need to remove the inflation system from the trunk. Pull out the DC adapter. Now this is the tube for the sealant. And this is the tube for the air compressor. We need to make sure our valve stem is toward the ground so it reaches easily. Now we can plug it in and turn our car on. Then we can attach the sealant hose and turn the power on our compressor. We'll then inflate the tire and seal it. If you're just missing air, you can just use the inflation hose located at the bottom. And that is all. Thank you from all of us here at O'Reilly Chevrolet, and please remember, drive safely.